As you can see here, the program is viewed by the other 5,000 engineers in this state and Andhra Pradesh and Telangana together. That is the largest body of the engineers and that the oldest body in India of the engineers. Where I work, the Department of Atomic Energy and Nuclear Fuel Complex, once upon a time in 1952, the Department of Atomic Energy is only at that time it's called a Tata Institute of Atomic Research. It is the first organization in India, and all the engineers produced in India consumed by only single institute, that's called Department of Atomic Energy. 2,000 engineers and used to work. And I am the member of the Institution of Chemical Engineers. And so today, all those engineers are watching because it's online is allowed, now the teaching. So now it is a customary when these honorary institutions, because they have the president, honorary, all these are the honorary posts, like I am a honorary trainer of the trainers. So also there are all the honorary posts, and that honorary means it is in the service without any expectation. So the honorary president and the chairman of the Indian Institute of the Engineers and the secretary and the president or the chairman. So first you will hear about his brief. It is a customary. So for few minutes it is from Mr. Koteshwara. So you will see a videos.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Koteshwara, Telangana State Center committee member and convener of today's International Yoga Day program. Our beloved chairman, Dr. Rameswara Garu, Honorary Secretary, Engineer T. Anjay Garu, learned speaker, Dr. A.L.V. Kumar, yoga expert, esteemed past chairmen and other members of Institution of Engineers and others. It gives me great pleasure to be in front of you online on the occasion of International Yoga Day. Today being 6th International Yoga Day, we have assembled here. For this year's theme is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Being an Indian, we feel proud of showing the way and guidance of about ancient Indian culture and yoga practice. Coming back to today's program, we are fortunate to have Dr. A.L.V. Kumar over here to talk about yoga and its practice and how to be fit and safe in the days of COVID-19, the most troublesome days we are facing now. Dr. Kumar needs no introduction, and he is well known not only in India but also across the world as far as yoga is concerned. However, for the benefit of new members, if any, I briefly introduce him now. Dr. A.L.V. Kumar, yoga teacher and trainer of teachers of yoga. In 1992, he met with an accident and he suffered multiple fractures in the lower spine. He was treated by the doctors, but there was no substantial recovery in his health. Then he decided to cure himself through yoga, which he is an expert already. It is to mention that he started practicing yoga from the age of 11 years itself. As I said, he started treating himself, and by 1994 he has cured fully, and now we are seeing him over here. During 1992, the doctors told him that he may not be able to walk, he may not be able to get the children even. So he cured himself, to mention again, and he blessed with a child in 1994. That is the miracle of yoga, and that is the capability and ability of Dr. A.L.V. Kumar. Dr. A.L.V. Kumar, he teaches many yoga trainers, and he is an expert in Kaya Chikitsa. There are only 3 people are there who is conversant with Kaya Chikitsa. He is one among them in the world. He has widely travelled in many countries like UK, Korea, Geneva, and delivered many lectures to the yoga teachers over there. I do not want to take much time, and I do not want to stay in between you and Dr. A.L.V. Kumar. Now I would like to pass on to the A.L.V. Kumar. Thank you one and all. I welcome you once again to take benefit out of the A.L. Kumar's teachings and lessons today. Now over to A.L.V. Kumar. Thank you.
That is about the Secretary, Institution of Engineers. And now you will hear the message from their chairman and the president, honorary president and harmony chairman, honorary chairman message, G. Rameshwara. All these are the senior veterans and served the various in government, various capacities, at the highest capacities, and in for the government. And he worked as an operations director, retired as operations director of so waterworks, sewage and waterworks. So please just listen to his message.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ యోగా డే శుభాకాంక్షలు. రెస్పెక్టెడ్ డాక్టర్ A.L.V. కుమార్, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ యోగా టీచర్ ట్రైనర్, my colleague Engineer Anjaya, Honorary Secretary, Institution of Engineers, Telangana State Center, Engineer M. Koteshwara, member and convener of this International Yoga Day, distinguished guests, fellow fraternity, media friends, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am very happy and consider it a great honor to be amidst this august gathering and extend a hearty welcome to all of you to the International Yoga Day 2020. It is also honored bestowed on us by Dr. A.L.V. Kumar, who has very kindly and spontaneously conveyed his consent to deliver a talk on yoga for robust humanity, COVID-19. I am very happy to inform that the Telangana State Center Committee has unanimously resolved to organize the Yoga Day every year on 21st June at our State Center. Accordingly, this event was organized in the last year by 21st June 2018 and 2019. As you are kindly aware that the idea of International Day of Yoga was first proposed by our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, during his speech at UNGA on 27 September 2014. The Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has the vision to spread India's traditional knowledge of yoga worldwide with a credible system in place. To spread awareness about Yoga Day in schools and institutions, other organizations programs are organized whereby experts deliver the speeches on Yoga Day and make aware about the tremendous benefit of practicing yoga. This is a small effort towards making yoga a part of everyone's life. Yoga is physically, mentally, and spiritual practice attributed to mostly developed India, which has become the almost universal non-practicing yoga is one of the way to grow into a better human being with a sharp mind, a good heart, and a relaxed soul. The coronavirus pandemic continues to spread its wing in India. The number of cases has been increasing day by day. It has become very important to take care of immune system to battle the infection in everybody. Dr. A.L. Kumar Garu shares his effective yoga tips and home remedies, and everyone should follow and incorporate in their lifestyle to fight the dangerous disease by doing the pranayamam and yogasanas, etc., and to stay safe. With these few words, I once again extend hearty welcome to Dr. A.L.V. Kumar Garu for sparing his valuable time. And thank you. Wish you a happy and long life.
Thank you. I thank Koteshwar Garu, Mariu Rameshwar Garu, the Secretary and President and Chairman of Institution of Engineers.